Hi, this is Jackie with J&M Reviews, and today I'm very excited to review this sample provided by Popka. It's light therapy for pets. So this is the box that it comes with, and inside it has the carrying case, color gray. Uh, this is healthy for your pet and is therapeutic. So here you have a timer, the on and off. Okay, so also it has the manual. I suggest you read it and you learn how to, like, what is it for your cat or your dog, and it has the instructions here. Here are some goggles, and they're very useful because the machine has red light. So if you have a little bit of, if it's too much for you, the light, then you can just wear the goggles and it's going to be more comfortable for you while operating the machine. And it also has the charger. So it has everything that you need to take care of your pet. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Thank you for watching my video.